Hi there, this is George from Duffels. Just introducing the range of products from Tedee in our new smart lock range. So the Tedee units essentially are add-ons for Euro cylinders, which will allow Euro cylinder profile lock cases and multi-point locks to be used as smart locks controlled via an app. There are a few items in the range, so we're just going to have a quick demonstration of the different products that are available and the difference between the Pro and the Go, which are the two main lock units, and what can be used with what. So yeah, here's the items in the range.
So you've got the Tedee Pro, which is on the door here. This works on a cylinder and turn cylinder. So where the turn normally would be, that's where the Tedee sits. And this is the Tedee Go, which works on a double cylinder. So in there is another key. Works on a key cylinder. Needs to be a clutched cylinder. There's also available in the range, you've got the keypad. So this talks to the locks via Bluetooth. It will hold up to 100 different codes at any one time. So just give you a quick demonstration on how that works. So that will now unlock the door.
Yeah, so no wire in there. That's just a completely standalone unit that communicates via Bluetooth with the lock add-on.
There's also in the range a Wi-Fi bridge. So the Wi-Fi bridge allows you to open the door from anywhere. So you could be at work and open the door at home. There is also a BLE relay box which will allow you to add in to the app an existing intercom system. So it will allow you to open the main door of a block of flats, for example, and then you may have one of these on the flats or apartments themselves. So you've got a full overview of everything in one app.
Yeah, so you can integrate an existing door entry system to operate these Tedee units as well with that Bluetooth BLE relay. So quite a versatile product there, and everything in that range to get you set up. These are really appropriate for use on sort of short-term let and Airbnb type applications as well. So as well as a residential or even commercial application, these can be used on those Airbnb type situations as well. So a good little product range there.